Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Crypto Spaces. Billionaires, I'm back with another update video for you guys. Bells right now sitting at 23 cent, 14.17 mil market cap, 651k in 24-hour trade volume. Anytime I see this trade volume, I'm like, yo, this is so undervalued. There's meme coins right now sitting at hundreds of millions in market cap, billions in market cap, with like tens of millions in trade volume, and they don't have the narrative, they don't have the history, they don't have the value that Bells has, man. And eventually people will wake up, man. When, I don't know, but I'll be doing my best to get that message out there. Again, the goal with the channel is to, I'm working for my bags just like everyone else in the community. This is my way to do it. And the goal is for one of these videos to get like 10,000 views, 100,000 views, get recommended next to Dogecoin videos. That's why I put in the titles, the next Doge. Maybe some big Dogecoin video. They just, new participants come to this space, they just watch a Dogecoin video, which is, in my opinion, Doge is like the most retail friendly coin. That's how I got into crypto, Doge, hearing about Doge. So they watch their Doge videos, and then all of a sudden, boom, recommended Bells, the next Doge. Then they'd be like, oh, what's this? Oh, really? They find out the lore, the history. They'd be like, oh, so this was made first. Bells was made first, and if it wasn't for Bells, we wouldn't have Doge. Okay, maybe I have to buy some, and that's how it goes, right? New participants come into the space, they find the videos, they be like, oh, that's cool, okay, maybe I gotta buy some of this, right? And that's my goal for the channel, man. Really, that's really my goal for the channel. And I don't even have that much invested, I'll be honest with you guys, but I just think this project has a potential where you're at a point in the project where it's still very low market cap. So even if you don't have a ton to invest, you could still walk away with nice, massive gains, right? Not just nice, but massive gains, right? The people that make the most in this space is the people that hold. The people that buy something with value or potential, and they hold it for an absurd amount of time. That's one of my biggest mistakes in crypto as well. I would make so much more gains if I held the project for more, multiple years, like 2 years, 3 years, right? Like, for example, at the bottom of the bear market 2022, there were some projects I could have held on to make even more gains this year, but I took profits last year, right? But now you see that a lot of them that I had a hold of, they bounced from the lows when Ethereum started to move up, ETH BTC started to move up a bit, and now you're gonna see them make even new highs, right? So that's really a lot of how people make those real gains in this space. They hold for like multiple years, at least 2 years, a year or two, to get those big gains, right? So that's how I see Bells, man. Bells is one of those ones you could hold on to. Be patient in whatever way you can. You let people know about the project, and then you keep pushing, right? Then you see it start to grow. Then you're just like, okay, it's climbing up. I know this still has more potential. Like, for example, last year August, a lot of people took profits. Last year August at 136, it crashed back down to 50 cents, but then boom, went on to make a new high. You're gonna have to survive those swings, man. Those swings are gonna be tough to survive, but that's how you make the crazy gains in the space, man. You're gonna have to be able to survive, be patient, survive the huge drawdowns, and that's how you get rewarded, man. Really, if you really believe in a project, that's how you get the massive gains. That's how you get rewarded. Bells Coin Daily, we are not dreaming, we're building. Pre-rich mode activated. Bells, visualizing in the mirror the man I want to become. Got the Bells bag on the sunglasses. Pretty funny meme, man. From S on chain, inverse head and shoulder on Bells, almost time to soar off. Sir Winston out here with the Cybel truck. So he got a lot of Bells stuff on his Cyber truck, and he's out there in person driving around, going to places, letting people know about bells, man. And that's what I'm telling you guys. That's how it should be. From Rug DZ, good morning, bells. Merge mine with Litecoin and Dogecoin. 60 million coins in circulation. After Epoch 5, 2 bells per block, which is already taking place a few days ago. Gaming, Animal Crossing, Proof of Work Layer 1, Dogecoin's daddy. Remember, without bells, no Dogecoin. You've been warned. Bells chain. And again, this is bells is a altcoin because it has the use case of being a proof of work layer 1. So it's a altcoin and a meme coin. It's the best of both worlds. A lot of people hate memes. A lot of people love alts. A lot of people love memes. A lot of people hate alts. Well, guess what? You got a 2-in-1 right here with bells, right? Again, Bells Coin community out here. The Bells Coin dev is going to be doing spaces every Friday. The community's out here being active, you know, pushing the project. Bells fly off to billions, shilling to other influencers. This is what I said in one of my previous videos. If you see someone tweeting on your timeline, they shill me a ticker, shill me a coin. What's a low market cap, good coin? You know, you let them know. Hey, bells. You let them know why. You know, Super Bell, let's go 1000x. Super Bells is here with you. So this is a project. I think this is a Bellinal. I think that's what they're called, right? The NFTs on bells, right? This is one of the NFT projects on bells. So that's why I said it has utility, and it also is a meme, right? So it's the best. It's the best of both worlds, man. Coin Talk CEO, what do you think of bells? DJ Hart, letting shilling bells. KRDC, shilling bells. I'm telling you guys, man, massive project. 84 million. Litecoin education podcast. So you see a Litecoin, one of the, you know what, a Litecoin chat right here. Happy Mother's Day to the Queen. Litecoin, mother of bells and Doge, right? So that's what I'm saying. You see how the Litecoin, they got some people in the Litecoin community that are aware of bells, probably have a bag. Dogecoin community aware of bells, probably have a bag. That'd be awesome to tap into both of those communities, man. That'd be amazing to see that, you know, Litecoin and Dogecoin community members, you know, become a part of the bells community and, you know, start to load up on bells, right? Right here, Joseph shilling bells with Sir Winston and his bells, his Cybell truck, guys, from Reborn. In my opinion, Bells Coin is way undervalued right now. Hype mints and trending runes are always fun, but when we look at the historical value, Doge being forked from Bells sets it in a class of its own. Explore the tech, respect the history. That's exactly what I'm talking about. So it has the altcoin perspective, but it also has being the first, literal first meme coin to ever exist. The first. If it wasn't for Bells, Doge would not exist. If Bells didn't get forked, we would not have Doge. I think just off that should be a multi-billion coin, and the community is there as well. I can't fade the community, man. We got to keep pushing as a community, step it up more. Everyone should be out there. I should see like hundreds of tweets when I go to the latest Bells tweets. I should see hundreds, but we are gonna get there in time, and Billionaires just keep at it, man. So once again, thank y'all so much for tuning in. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, share the videos. It really helps out. And if you want to donate, support the channel, my Bells wallet is in the description. Just whatever you send, whatever you send, I'd appreciate it. And just comment on the video if you send any, and then I'll shout you out in the next video. And remember, none of this is financial advice. Thanks again for tuning in. I'll catch you in the next one.